Yo, shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song. So, ito mula kay Juan Carlos, ang title ay Manid. 2 chords lang ito guys, 2 chords lang buong kanta at meron rin string pattern. Maganda ang kanta no, kaya 2 chords lang. At pa-tutorial lang ito kasi 2 chords lang kasi eh. So, diretso na tayo. First chord ay basic na C guys. Na 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 na. So, madali lang na C. The second chord ay isang FF. Okay, C at F, and then a string pattern pala ito, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Time natin na down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Katahin natin down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. So madali lang, 2 chords lang kasi. And papasok si Juan Carlos. Na 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 hanggang sa chorus. Ku'y manhid na down, up, down. Ku'y manhid na up. So repeat lang yan. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, madali lang, 2 chords lang kung kanta, repeat nyo lang, kaya nabala mag-timing, simple version na ito. At pa-share lang ang video sa mga naghanap ng chords ng kantang ito, no? 2 chords lang kasi. Dito man tutorial guys, yung sa mga na-upload guys, bye bye.